Good catch, good catch.
Good catch.
Yeah.
My first double.
Is it your first?
I had the almond pie.
Oh, you had the pie the other day?
Yeah.
Okay, good stuff.
But I don't know how to eat it.
Messy.
Double to the S.
Grab, let go one flap. So hold it flat like this.
Like that?
You can try it anyway, there's no right way. But I would pick up the top half first. Yeah, go for it, just go for it. Right here. Yeah. That's actually some of the best technique I've ever seen.
Awesome.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
It's so good.
It's good stuff. Yeah, take it out from here, like open it up like a pod. Or just squeeze it out. Yeah, now we can eat that.
Oh my god, the sun on my skin.
Oh,
It's like fresh edamame.
yeah. Grandma, you want some peas?
Yeah. And no,
They're
but
fresh.
this is pigeon peas. Where?
You're very correct.
So good.
Good stuff.
See, don't say we don't feed you.
Yeah. Oh, take the last
Here,
one. Em.
go ahead.
They look like I'm
I'll get another one.
Zeb, you didn't see the fruit
I
that
didn't
was
eat it
hanging
anyways,
by
I'm
our...
hungry.
It's okay, don't worry
People
about it.
sit down
Zeb,
and they
you
peel
didn't
a
see
whole
the
bunch
fruit
of
that
them.
was
That
hanging
looks
by our
rotten.
Not rotten.
yesterday.
You're
Look at the
supposed
peas
to eat
on
it
the
cooked,
inside.
really, but you can eat it raw. Am I gonna get worms?
No.
No.
Maybe.
I'll eat it with you, Aunt Pam.
Hey, man.
Actually, this one's better than the one before.
They're a lot
in
better
flavor.
cooked and prepared.
Yeah.
But nothing like My friend, are you ready for a waterfall?
Yeah, I'm really ready. I'm so excited.
You're so excited?
That sounds
good.
Are you gonna climb to the top?
To the very top, and I'm gonna jump right in.
Wow, okay, I like to see that.
Yeah, I'm brave.
Zach is ready for everything.
Yeah? Close enough?
Right here, there's like a hole.
Very good. Now jump onto this rock. Take a jump. Very good. And then give me a hand one more time. And into the water.
Into the water?
Yeah, it's not deep. Very good. Now just walk to the beach.
It feels good.
Like that. And step up.
Give me a hand, bro. And jump to this rock. 1, 2, jump. And then right into the rock water. Cool, man.
Walk into the water?
Yeah, just step in. There you go. You're good.
Straight, straight.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. How much out of 10?
10 out of 10 right now. The water is so good.
It's refreshing. It's refreshing after the hike. Just be careful walking by where your mom is. Yeah. So
Ah, it's cold.
it is cold, but after 10 seconds, it gets warm.
It's not that cold.
But you have to become. I know. I agree. Hey, walk in there and go for it. You go for it.
It's freezing.
You're fine.
But the best way to deal with it
Jump it.
is to go under fast.
Just jump.
If you take your time, it'll be like torture.
I'm good.
I'll go back in.
3, 2, 1, go! Damn, belly flop.
Yeah!
Yeah, boy!
Great. Do you still have your shorts on?
3, 2, 1, down! Yeah! And now it's all good.
Yeah, good job, man.
Yeah!
It looks so good.
Right, so chocolate tea, not to be confused with hot chocolate.
Okay. It's hot.
Very similar to
It looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, it tastes damn good.
Let me do it. It's hot
Can't
for you.
wait.
Hold on, I would try and do at least one.
You never hold corn soup before?
Now you hand me and I'll do.
At least one video.
Alright, just pass that. Just
Yeah,
pass
pass
that.
it out.
Alright,
I'll pour. You just hand me the
do
cups.
the rest.
No.
No.
It's fine.
Are you already on film, sir?
All right.
For the local news, how's it taste?
Take a shot of gin, vodka, whiskey.
Very
hot.
My bad. Possession. You better save it.
I'm so happy.
Eat one once a year for the next 15 years.
Right.
Once a year, I got you.
Deserve it.
Oh my God! I want to go more deeper! Oh God! Hit me, wave!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! I want to just jump over it. Oh my God! My stomach!
Go.
Oh my god. So I just pick one of these?
And you lick it, you don't eat it. You lick this the pulp.
Yeah.
How is it? I'll tell you if it's good. I'll
Oh
tell
my
you if
God.
it's good.
It's kind of tart. They're sugar.
Yeah.
They're really good.
You suck the flesh off the seed and then spit the seed.
The seed is the chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
You dry for chocolate.
That's good stuff.
One bite? It's the cocoa. Weirdos.
I can have one too if you have
We
it.
got one before. In there.
So good.
How is it taste? What flavor is that?
This as a seed holder, so we can ferment the seeds.
Butterscotch.
Butterscotch?
So good.
Come to Tobago to have
Get a
butterscotch.
lot.
Okay, I had this so
Nonsense.
I thought it was good, but butterscotch pretty good. It's
Butterscotch.
real good.
What do you
Then
have
you
here?
go back to the Everglades, yes?
There you go.
Wherever it is you're from.
Salted caramel.
There you go, sweetie.
Oh my God.
What do you have,
What do you
sir?
have in
Oh,
here?
that's looking like a
I got
brownie.
coffee something.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Coffee is also...
That's Castara dog
You've
food
never
ice cream.
Yes.
It's really good.
Well, it's supposed to be really good for you, right, Scott?
Hi!
Review the water out of 10.
I'd say 10.
10? How what?
It's a good temperature.
Very good.
Yeah,
You
I
gonna
like
dive in? Let me see it.
Oh, I can dive in. You ready?
Let's take a dive. Let's take a dive.
You ready? I'm gonna dive from here though, okay?
3, 2, 1, go.
Anybody else for scotch?
Grandma, you getting any shots with us?
Anybody for gin?
Ma, what do you want? You want gin? Another
Going
one
out
for
of
Mom.
style.
You gotta be here to
Yeah,
get
inside
it.
the coconut.
Alright.
I'll bring it to her.
It's a delicacy.
Because she wants us to take it over there.
What do you want, Scott?
Well, if you guys want to walk with it, you can.
This
But
is
everybody has to walk with it.
beautiful.
I probably won't walk with it. We'll probably just
drunk?
Can I get a rum punch chaser?
Yeah, same here, honestly. That'd be pretty good.
Who else for rum punch?
Chaser.
I want one to chase with.
We're roommates.
Here.
Are you?
Yes, we are. We bonded on Monday.
They're the cutest roommates I've ever seen.
You're gonna have to please for a birthday.
All right.
Alright.
Oh, so sing happy birthday for me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Chug it up, chug it up, chug it up.
And many more.
I got cheers to
Everybody.
Pepe.
Happy birthday.
That's good.
Very good.
Very good. Very
Much better with the rum punch as a
Very good.
chaser. Wow.